What? Hey girl. Hey. I hope you do a good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucy. Welcome to another video. If you're new, welcome to the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you get notified every single time your girl uploads. And also, if you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey. Today's video we'll be talking about my monthly favorites. Now each month I do a favorite or empties video. Last month I did an empties video of some of my skincare favorites, and this month I'm doing some of my favorites as well, though we have a couple of makeup products because we received new products during the month. So I'll be telling you some of the products that I actually love from this month as well. First off, I have the gloss. This is the Super Lustrous The Gloss from Revlon. Now I did review this on my Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks and gloss review. If you haven't checked it out, it's up. Do check it out after this video. Like, I don't have anything on my lips at this point except the gloss. It makes your lips look really lustrous and really juicy. I am obsessed. It's not drying, it's not tacky, and it doesn't leave a white cast on the mouth. You know, after a few hours, the way some other glosses do, they kind of leave that white residue on there. But this one is absolutely amazing. The formula and consistency of it is just, it's mind-blowing. Still on lips, I have been loving this lip balm from Kosas. So this is their Kosas Sports lip balm. So this is in the shade Baseline. So this has been an amazing little lip balm. I have been obsessed with it because if I don't have a gloss on, this is what I use on a day-to-day basis. And if I don't want to have anything that's really heavy on my lips, this is actually what I apply, and I have been loving it. I love the packaging as well. It's really cute, very handy to travel, very handy, you know, it just stays in the pocket. Also, onto lips still, we have the Kosas lip oil. Now this one is in the shade Jellyfish. Yeah, so this smells so good. First of all, the packaging is really cute. I love the lid. The blue is actually, this is like a baby blue lid. This is a really nice lip oil for, you know, whenever you feel like your lips are dry. Really nice after you actually do a scrub on your lips, of which I do a scrub using sugar and olive oil because I don't have any lip scrubs at the moment. So I do use that as like a home remedy kind of thing, and after that I actually apply this lip oil and then I go to sleep, or when I wake up in the morning after my skincare routine, I use this. So before I actually do anything on my lips, like applying lipstick and whatever, if I'm going to apply lipstick that day. Another thing I've been loving during the night is the Alpine Beauty Worldcrafted Actives Calming Midnight Mask and Melatonin. So this is a night mask after my skincare. I mean, with my age, I think this is the age of middle crisis something, you know, we tend to not get enough sleep, and when you get to bed you toss and turn and all that. Now this has actually really helped my skin calm down during night times, and I'm able to sleep better and wake up better. So I do apply it on my face, so it definitely, you know, calms my skin, and my skin is well rested when I wake up, and it shows. It doesn't look really tired. Also onto skin, the Caudalie Beauty Elixir has been a go-to of mine. Like, I'm halfway the bottle because, you know, I've been loving it. So this little baby here is like a setting spray and also like a skincare spray. So I use it in the morning before my foundation and also after I apply my foundation and everything to set my makeup. It's really nice. It smells really great. If you're into minty scents, it smells really nice. It's just so calming on the skin. It's just so refreshing and you just feel fresh after application. And the packaging is also really cute. You can get this at Sephora, and also the Alpine Beauty melatonin mask at night, you can get them at Sephora as well. Also, Kosas products are also at Sephora if you're wondering. So for the next product, I have this retinol eye cream. This is from Pixi. I have been loving this retinol eye cream for my eyes, for my puffiness, and also like when I wake up and I'm tired, I feel still tired, my eyes look weird, so this depuffs my eyes. Next thing, I have been using this retinol tonic from Pixi, and I have been loving this so much because after I cleanse, this is what I go in with, and it has made my skin more smooth. If you can tell, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but in real life it has made my skin more smooth. It has really helped me in terms of, you know, texture and all that. So I have been really loving this. I'm actually halfway the bottle. I'm halfway because I also use the Glow Tonic one, so I rotate between the two. I have never tried bronzers, and I tried bronzer this month from Kosas. This is their baked bronzer. So this is in the shade Deep. It's a really pretty bronzer. It's not coming up, it's not opening. So this is their bronzer. This is a really nice bronzer. Like, I have found myself using this every single day. For highlighter, I have two highlighters. So I do have the Revlon Skin Light highlighter. So these are the prismatic highlighters. So this one is in the shade 201 Daybreak Glimmer. Now this has been my go-to highlighter because it's really bright, really nice. I love the packaging as well, really small. You know, you can travel with this, especially now that, you know, borders are getting opened. Another highlighter I have been loving is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. So this is in Champagne Pop. Unfortunately, this did break today, but I tried to save it, you know. It still works. It's what I have on at the moment. So it's a really nice highlighter. So two favorite highlighters of the month, the Becca one and also Revlon. Another favorite, this is the Signature palette Beachside from Ofra. Now I have been loving this palette so much. It has really bright shades in there. I have been loving the palettes because I love the yellows, the pink, the blue, and I have found myself using this especially when I'm doing a lot of colorful makeup. That's the Creative Makeup on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, do follow me there. So it's so small, really nice packaging, very chic and very travel friendly. So I mean, you can actually put this in your purse and just go with it anywhere you want, and you won't feel like you're carrying a lot of bulky stuff. Anyway guys, that's it from me for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I actually upload. And also don't forget to share it with your friend, and also come back for more videos. Now for everything that I have mentioned in this video, I'm going to leave the links down below so that you can go check them out if you actually want to purchase something. Now the links are affiliate codes. Now that means that I get a little commission on each purchase, but you don't have to use my codes, my links. You can use another person's links, but it actually helps my channel if you actually do use the links. Anyway guys, I'm really tired. I really need to go and take this makeup off, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hi, hello Ronic, hello Ronic, hello Ronic, hello Ronic. Whatever.